In this demonstration, we will review how to restore a deleted ticket. Users can restore a deleted ticket through the Deleted Tickets page of the Helpdesk. Click Helpdesk in the vertical menu, and select Deleted Tickets. The date that appears in the updated column is the date the ticket was deleted. Click any of the column headers to sort by ticket number, customer, or deleted date. Click the vertical ellipsis for the associated ticket, and select Restore. Confirmation that the ticket was successfully restored appears on screen. Restore multiple tickets by selecting the checkbox for each ticket. Click the vertical ellipsis at the top of the page, select Restore Tickets and confirm the action. Take note of the ticket number to easily locate it once restored.